Alright, I'm not quite sure if it's in a 4K or not, since it's showing a different display than it usually does. I have a weird feeling like the last couple days my phone has been glitching, so I'm not quite sure how to fix it. So if my phone randomly decides to stop recording or whatnot, that's what happened. It looks like a green piece, but yeah, so just bear with me with that. Hopefully it doesn't happen. I'll probably just finish up with what I have here with this set, or this bag, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, just a small heads up and all. I think this is green, right? This looks like it's considered green. Oh well. But yeah, more or less of the same thing, just building. Yeah. Just it took me forever to upload the first one. That's why it's been a minute since I recorded. Just had to find time to upload this, you know. My hands are too big, I think. I'm getting to that point where it's getting impossible. How do I do this? What? Supposed to go in the center? Unless I'm just mentally handicapped here. Right there, got that one now. Do need the green one, it doesn't really match. I think that's green, that's better. Anyways. I figured it'd be a little safer just to set aside the pieces first instead of trying to remember what I'm doing, you know. So yeah, this is the front left. I kind of looked it up. Well, I looked at the front after I started doing this last time. So yeah, just there's so many pieces. It's insane. Green, flat, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, column, tower looking one. And green one. And black one. And then 3 pieces over, it's this one. So it's one ahead. Alright. That one goes there like that. Let me make sure I don't accidentally shut my computer off, as I am uploading. Here we get into the even small pieces. Can't tell if it's green, like I say, or I think it's tan. It looks like tan. See what I mean about tiny little pieces? It's like I can barely see it, but it's probably just that I'm old, you know, but it's the same. I think this is it's a green, so I need tan, so. Of course. Luckily I saw it fall. And then one more here. Alright, where's my chair? It's way over here. It's not a flat piece, it's one of those very great things, what do you call them? Great, now I have the Flintstones song in my head. It's the Flintstones. Great. I don't know why I thought of that, but just sometimes songs randomly pop in my head. So it's two of these ones on top of the green one and the gray one. Open that. I think it's kind of that'd be a mirrored version of this. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. It's one more of the grays. All right. So I need to get the front gate now, if you can tell. Well, I can tell at least, but just because I happen to look at the photo. Yeah, that'd be like where the front gate is, roughly. So, yeah. Uh, for talking. Let's. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. Another odd piece, just the two little dots on either of the sides there. It's weird. Oh, it's because, alright, I'm stupid. I'm like, why are they asking for it there if it's over here? But, alright, whoopsie. It's my brain not paying attention. Alright, good. It's still counting at least. I'm like worried now. I don't know what the issue is with my phone because it's been glitching, and hopefully this time, sometime this week, I can go and get it looked at. Just have a feeling it's just a cooling issue, but can never be too sure. And green. So there's one gray. One of these ones. I think that's my dad out there. Here, trash doing something. Oh, this Jackie.
There's not a fire.
Huh? I know.
Pacific Palisades is gone.
Yeah, I send you.
It's a really wealthy area.
I have a thing sending to you at 7, but Tiptoe, his entire family's houses were all
Who's
like
TikTok?
the tortoise that I always send you guys.
Oh.
Like his owner, her parents, her brothers, her grandparents,
What?
aunts and uncles, all their houses were burned
Oh
down.
yeah. Well, Pacific Palisades
Yeah.
is gone. The
Yeah.
whole thing. They said
Is that why
schools,
it's so
shopping
windy or what?
centers. It's wind, fires.
Is that why
Fires.
is it caused by the wind or is it just
You
making
know
it
what? We
worse?
don't know. It can be a lot of different things. They don't know yet.
Yeah,
Because
since
there's
it's
like 3 fires. I think we'll go to school today. There's lots of school closures.
yeah, it's like
Yeah.
it's close
I mean,
is why.
This is.
Yeah.
The people are like, this is like the apocalypse.
Is
up
this
there.
the same place that happened last time, or is it
No,
Paradise? Or?
I don't think so. But
I thought it was Paradise.
Crazy here.
Yeah.
I mean, your dad said that he was on a call with someone from Pacific Palisades. They had 10 minutes to evacuate. They lost their home.
Jeez.
Pacific Palisades is just completely
Oh,
wiped out.
hey, Sally.
Shopping center.
What you doing, Sally?
It'd be like if Long Beach just burned.
Yeah. Hey, Sally. I'm doing Legos. Sally. I was expecting Jackie. Where's Jackie, Sally? Oh, alright. See you in a minute then. Strange. It's usually my dad that brings Jackie, not my mom that brings Sally. Must have had to use the restroom or something. I should say Sally needed to use the restroom, I should say, yeah. One more gray one. It's another example of me not paying 100% attention. Alright. Yeah, we've been having fires the last couple days, so we've been keeping an eye on it, you know. So there's only so much we can do. As a matter of fact, I have a message that needs to be sent. Oh, I'll just send it after this. But actually, let me check to see if my phone is okay. Dang, I don't think Sally was on video. Dang, I was hoping she would, but oh well. Some of these are like super, either they're tiny or they're too close to other pieces. My hands are too big. Her fingers are too big. Not complaining, it's just, this is a random thought I'm having. Alright, two of those. One of these. And one of these. Alright. Some. Wait. There we go, good enough. Just random hair that was stuck under there. Nasty. This is gonna be a long build, that's for sure. Let's see. Well, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here just to be safe. I want to make sure that's still able to record and whatnot, at least in the proper format at the very least. So, yeah, sorry about that.